The US bank-secured Visa card is crafted for people who want to kickstart or repair their credit. Getting this card means putting down a refundable deposit, which becomes your credit limit anywhere from $300 up to $5,000 depending on what works for your budget. The main draw is its credit-building focus. Every payment you make gets reported to all three major credit bureaus, setting you on a path toward a stronger credit score if you pay on time. There's no annual fee, which is pretty rare for secured cards, so you won't be losing money just for keeping the account open. Features like flexible due dates, autopay setup, and zero fraud liability help keep things manageable and safe. On top of that, checking your FICO score each month for free through US Bank's dashboard gives you constant feedback on your progress. If you play your cards right and show responsible use, you could qualify for an unsecured card down the road, making this a true stepping stone rather than just a temporary fix. But it's not perfect. There's no rewards program, so every dollar you spend just helps your credit, not your cashback potential. The high regular APR up to 29.24% means carrying a balance can get expensive fast, defeating the purpose of building credit if you start missing payments. That upfront deposit is locked up as long as you keep the card, and both balance transfers and international purchases come with fees that aren't always friendly, especially if you travel or move money around. This card is a strong pick for those laser-focused on credit repair or building from scratch, but anyone hoping to rack up rewards or avoid fees might want to shop around. Stick to paying the full balance each month and know the real value here is credit growth, not perks or travel rewards.